Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Runway ML for video editing using an AI workflow. Let's get started. First, open the Runway ML on your browser and sign in. Next, click Start a new project and upload a video clip. You can use the Runway ML AI tools like for the background removal or the green screen to remove or change the background, for object removal, to erase unwanted elements, and for the text to video to generate new scenes. You can also trim and arrange your clips on the timeline editor. Also, you can use the AI features to enhance your video by adjusting the video visuals, the motion and transitions, visual effects, scene generation. You can also combine the clips and add AI generated visuals for more dynamic result. Once you're done editing, preview your video and click export to download it. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.